Welcome back. This is the second tutorial. The second tutorial show you the sub account dashboard. If you want to locate the sub account dashboard, you are going to click the sub account here to see the sub account, then switch from here, or quickly go to click here menu to switch off all the sub accounts you have here, then switch off any of them that you want to work on. Now that you are open the sub account is like brand. It's like a brand of each company. Sub account is a place where you are carrying on the activities that is going on inside the Go High Level. For example, this is where each company will have its own sub account. So agency dashboard, the difference between agency dashboard is the owner of the account. The owner of the account will be able to see the sub account, while the client or customers that is using the CRM will be able to use the sub account. But the only person that will see all the sub accounts we have inside the account, or that is can see the sub account and the agency dashboard, is the owner of the account, or if the person give you as admin for both accounts, admin on agency access. So that's the way you can be able to see the sub account dashboard and the agency dashboard. So in the agency dashboard, we have different features that is you can be able to use inside Gohighlevel. So one of the features that you have is going to conversation, calendar, contacts. We have opportunity, we have payment, we have marketing, we have automation, we have site, we have membership, we have reputation, we have reporting, we have app marketing, we have mobile app. In the setting, we have profile bill profile business. Profile business will show the brand of the owner of the account, sub accounts. Will show you everything about the sub accounts. Then you are going to see company bill. The company bill is where you can be able to see all the billing that is you have already used inside the sub account. We have staff where we can be able to add your own employee, like appointment setter, the Gohighlevel tech experts, the any of them that manager that want to manager, supervisor, or something like that. In the aspect of opportunity and pipeline, where you can be able to create pipeline stages So uh we have customer conversation AI, we have service, email service, email service, we have member phone number, we have repetition management, we have custom feed, we have custom follow. These are all the activities that is going on inside Gohighlevel. So this is the second dashboard, second tutorial. Thank you. Stay tuned, and we are going to start the features one by one. Thank you. My name is Assis once